Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Roblox server public. First, navigate to your game settings within Roblox Studio. Locate the Permissions or Privacy section. Here, you'll find options to control who can access your game. Select the Public setting to allow all Roblox users to join. Remember to save your changes before closing the settings window. This simple step makes your creation accessible to a wider audience. Once in Roblox Studio, open your game and go to the Game Settings menu. Under the Basic Settings tab, you'll see an Access option. Make sure this is set to Public so anyone can find and play your game. If your game isn't published yet, you'll need to do that first. Publishing makes your game available on the Roblox platform for others to discover and enjoy. After setting your game to public, you can further customize its access. In Game Settings, look for options to adjust the maximum number of players per server. You might also enable private servers, allowing players to create their own instances for friends, often for a small Robux fee. Always ensure your game adheres to Roblox's community standards to maintain a positive environment for everyone. Now that your server is public, it's time to share it. Copy your game's unique link from the Roblox website and share it with friends on social media or in relevant communities. The more you promote it, the more players will discover your creation. Encourage feedback to improve your game and keep players engaged. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other fantastic deals. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.